Dive into the world of fitness with me, a journey that began with a single squat. In the beginning, the path to fitness seemed daunting. The world of weights and reps, sets and sweat was a labyrinth of confusion. But as with any journey, the first step was crucial. For me, that first step was the Olympic squat. I remember my initial struggles. The awkward positioning, the trembling muscles, the daunting sight of the barbell. It was a challenge, to say the least. But as my body grew stronger, so did my resolve. With every squat, every drop and rise, I was chiseling away at my old self and sculpting a new one. Enter the game changer, Olympic squats. Unlike the traditional squat, Olympic squats are not just about strength. They're about technique, precision, and discipline. The high bar placement, the deeper descent, it was a whole new ball game. At first it was tough. The new form felt strange, the depth seemed impossible. But soon, I noticed a transformation. My strength increased, my form improved, and my body began to change. I was stronger, leaner, and more powerful than ever before. The beauty of Olympic squats lies in their versatility. They work the entire body, targeting the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. But they also enhance flexibility, balance, and coordination. They're not just a workout, they're a tool for total body transformation. Incorporating Olympic squats into my routine was a turning point in my fitness journey. They pushed me out of my comfort zone, challenged my limits, and taught me the importance of form and technique. More than anything, they made me realize that fitness is not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting yourself up one squat at a time. Olympic squats became the cornerstone of my fitness journey, and here's why they should be a part of yours too. The path to fitness is unique for everyone, but the principles are universal. Strength, discipline, and perseverance. These are the foundations of a fit and healthy life. And Olympic squats, they embody these principles. So take that first step, embrace the challenge, and start your journey with an Olympic squat. So what exactly are Olympic squats, and how do they differ from traditional squats? When it comes to squats, there are more variations than you might think. Olympic squats, often referred to as high bar squats, are a unique twist on the traditional squat exercise. Used predominantly by Olympic weightlifters, they differ from the more common low bar squats in several key ways. Firstly, the bar placement. Unlike the low bar squat where the bar rests on the upper back, in an Olympic squat, the bar is placed high on the traps, just below the neck. This placement encourages a more upright torso and reduces the forward lean seen in low bar squats. Secondly, the squatting technique. With Olympic squats, the aim is to descend until your hips are below your knees, achieving what we call below parallel. This depth is greater than a typical low bar squat. With a unique technique, Olympic squats offer a range of benefits that we're about to explore. Are you ready to unlock the power of Olympic squats? Let's dive into the myriad of benefits this exercise brings to the table. First and foremost, Olympic squats are a powerhouse for promoting lower body strength. They target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, essentially working out the major muscle groups in your lower body. Not only does this contribute to stronger legs, but it also helps in boosting your overall athletic performance. Whether you're a sprinter, a football player, or just someone who enjoys a good jog in the park, stronger legs can make a world of difference. But the benefits of Olympic squats don't stop at your lower body. This exercise is also a great way to enhance core stability. As you squat, your core muscles work overtime to keep your body balanced and upright. This not only contributes to a stronger core, but also promotes better posture, which can help alleviate back pain and prevent future injuries. Now let's talk flexibility. Olympic squats require a significant range of motion, particularly in your hips, knees, and ankles. Regularly performing these squats can improve your flexibility over time, making it easier for you to perform other exercises and daily activities. And who wouldn't want to move more freely and fluidly? In addition to all these benefits, Olympic squats also aid in improving balance. The act of squatting and standing up again requires a good deal of coordination and body control. Regular practice can enhance your balance, thereby reducing your risk of falls and injuries. And finally, let's not forget about the metabolic boost. As a compound exercise, Olympic squats engage multiple muscle groups at once, which means they burn more calories than isolation exercises. They can be a great addition to your weight loss or weight management plan. Clearly, the benefits of Olympic squats extend far beyond just building leg muscles. They're about enhancing your overall fitness, from strength and flexibility to balance and core stability. So why not give them a shot and see the difference they can make in your fitness journey? Now let's delve into the technique of performing Olympic squats. This exercise, often referred to as a high bar squat, is a staple of Olympic weightlifting and can be a powerful tool in your fitness arsenal. But like any tool, it's most effective when used correctly, so let's break down the process step by step. Start by setting up the squat rack. Adjust the barbell so it's at about the same height as your collarbone, and make sure the safety bars are set to a height that will catch the barbell if you should happen to fail a rep. Next comes bar placement. Unlike with low bar squats, the bar should be placed high on your traps just below the neck. Keep your hands as close together as is comfortable to create a muscular shelf for the bar to rest on. Now let's talk about foot positioning. Stand with your feet roughly shoulder width apart, or slightly wider. Your toes should be pointed out slightly. This will help you maintain balance during the squat. Once you're positioned under the bar, stand up straight, unrack the bar by straightening your legs, then take a step or two back from the rack. Now, it's time to breathe and brace. Take a deep breath in and brace your core. This will help stabilize your spine during the squat. To start the squat, break at the knees and hips simultaneously. Keep your chest up and maintain a straight back. The high bar position encourages a more upright torso, reducing the forward lean seen in low bar squats. Depth is key in Olympic squats. Aim to descend until your hips are below your knees, achieving a below parallel position. This is deeper than a typical low bar squat. To ascend, drive through your heels and mid-foot to stand back up. Keep your knees tracking over your toes and avoid letting them cave inwards. Exhale as you ascend. Finally, to finish the rep, straighten your legs and hips at the top of the movement. Take another breath and brace again before starting the next rep. Once your set is complete, carefully step forward and rack the barbell. Now, a few safety tips. Always use a spotter or safety bars when attempting heavy lifts. Start with a lighter weight to master the form before adding more weight. Ensure your knees track in line with your toes to prevent injury. And consider using a belt for additional back support during heavy lifts. It's also important to avoid some common mistakes. Leaning too far forward can put undue stress on your back. Not going deep enough can rob you of the full benefits of the exercise. And letting your knees cave in can lead to injury. Remember, form and safety are paramount when performing Olympic squats. If you're new to this exercise, consider seeking guidance from a qualified fitness trainer to ensure you're using the correct technique. Olympic squats can be a powerful tool in your fitness arsenal, but only if you're using them correctly. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of Olympic squats, are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? We've been delving deep into the world of weightlifting, exploring the techniques and tips that can help you become stronger, fitter, and healthier. But, as you probably know, weightlifting is just one piece of the fitness puzzle. Next time, we're going to switch gears a bit and talk about something equally important: nutrition. Yes, we're going to dive into the world of proteins, carbs, and fats. We'll explore the best foods to fuel your body for those grueling weightlifting sessions, and how to optimize your diet for recovery and muscle growth. But that's not all. We'll also discuss how to balance your nutrition with your workouts to achieve your fitness goals, whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply enhance your overall health. We'll break down the science in a way that's easy to understand and give you practical tips that you can start using right away. And for those of you who are eager to learn more weightlifting techniques, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll be back with more tutorials on exercises that can help you improve your strength and form. Maybe we'll tackle the deadlift or the bench press, or perhaps something a bit more challenging like the clean and jerk. So, whether you're just starting out on your fitness journey or you're an experienced weightlifter looking to up your game, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. And with the right knowledge and techniques, you can make that journey a little bit easier and a lot more fun. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more ways to enhance your fitness journey. Subscribe and join the fitness revolution. If you enjoyed this content, consider supporting my channel by liking this video and subscribing for more valuable insights on your journey to a healthier and happier lifestyle. Thumbs up